Hello beautiful people, welcome to Mom Kids TV. So today's video we are collabing with Klaiyi hair. First of all, thank y'all so much. They sent me over like a hold on, let me go grab it for you. They sent over like a cute silk nightgown type of thing. I thought that was hella cute because I've been into like gowns I can wear around the house, like something cute, casual, comfortable, nothing too crazy, and it has their little company name right here. I thought that was super cute. I really appreciate it. Thank you so much, Klaiyi hair, sending that over. Now let's get into this hair. Okay, let's get into the wig. The wig is cute as, okay, this is glueless. It comes with an adjustable strap, very easy. It melted very easily, as you guys can see. I did like a natural little swoop, baby hair swoop type of thing. I didn't want anything too dramatic because I feel like the hair is already dramatic, so I didn't want to draw too much attention with the baby hairs, but just enough. On a scale of 1 to 10, I give this hair like a 9 out of 10. It was pre-plucked. The knots were already bleached. I did pluck a little bit so that the hairline would look just a tad bit more natural, but I didn't need to. This is one of those companies that it was already done. I did have to cut the baby hairs, which I don't have a problem doing that. It's not that big of a deal. You part them out and just snip them like that. The hair is very soft. I feel like it's versatile because you can wear it like this, which is how it came out the box, or if you want, you can kind of brush it out and make it bigger, or you can wet it and make the curls like tighter and make the hair flatter. As you guys can see, you can wear this hair up, you can wear it slicked back. It does have like lace in the back if you want to like wear it up. I didn't cut it yet because I just didn't cut it yet. I'm gonna cut it if I decide to wear it up, but I really like this. It's giving like wild child, ginger, like fun, sexy, cute, like what's happening, what's up, what's up. I was gonna do like a rubber band type of hairstyle, but I need my nails done, so my hair kept snagging in my nails. But once I get my nails done, I'll probably restyle it with like a rubber band style, because that I feel like what this hair would give. Klaiyi, I just want to say thank you so much, because this is exactly my vibe right now. Like the fun, summertime, like y'all know I'm a dancer, so I'm gonna be like, it's just giving fun and cute, and it's giving natural too, and it's giving sexy, like playful but still like sexy, you know. So if you'd like to see how I melted this Auburn curly natural jerry curl unit, then just keep watching.
this tension, a feeling I never was expecting. I don't see the pros, don't know the cons, forget the whys. Do you know why? Triggered inside this situation. Wonder if we maybe were mistaken. Don't wanna talk, don't wanna see, don't wanna feel it. What is left? I've been thinking about us and the things you say. How you don't feel enough to come share my bed. All I ever wanted was the truth, and I got it. Is it too much to ask? A little conversation, a minute's enough to work out the frustration. There's no need to make me bite the pavement. A little conversation. I don't want your love, just a little conversation. A minute's enough to work out the frustration. There's no need to make me bite the pavement. A little conversation. It hurts me how everything was wasted. Now all the nights seem so overrated. What was it worth? I can't take back, I can't stop feeling. How about you? I've been thinking about us and the things you said. How you don't feel enough to come share my bed.